Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in today's video, you're going to film this get ready with me. I actually have an event to go, so I want to film my look. I'm not going for something that's subtle. I want my eyes to pop, so you just stay with me. Let's film it together. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. Okay, so let's just go into it because I don't have much time. I really need to be done with this and get going. So let's just start. I already did my skin prep of the camera and I have a detailed video on how to do your skin prep yet. So I am going to leave that video here for you. And I think I also have a playlist on how to prep your skin if you have oily, dry, whatever type of skin type you have. I have a playlist like that. Maybe I'll put up the playlist so that you guys will check it out. So this is the foundation I'll be using for this. This is from Sylvie Mac. Let me bring it closer. This is from Sylvie. You guys know that Sylvie Mac is a Nigerian brand. I don't know. I'm such a loyal fan to Nigerian brands. Nigerian brands, it's time you guys come out and endorse me because if you're going through my videos, even the other brands I have, I don't like using them in my videos. Like, I feel like, let me promote our own. Yes, so you guys know how we do our foundation now, so I don't want to. And with my damn beauty blender, if you're using this foundation and if you're new to makeup of a thing, your blending game is not strong, I would advise you go in first with your brush. Where's that my brush? I'll show you guys your foundation brush. They call it, is it kabuki brush? This brush, you can go in with it first, then before you start blending with your beauty blender. But I can do it, so I am going to go in immediately with my beauty blender. I think that's it. I'm done with this foundation like this. Just little product. You guys know me, I don't use much. It's just little, so just pull it and everything will just be fine. That's just it. For my contour, I'll be using this dark shade. It's from V Beauty. It's really dark, so I don't want too much of it. And I will just do, if I add, I'll blend. I am not going to add everything before blending, so that I don't get caught up, so that it won't just dry. You see my contour, just very light, little, just little. It will seem as if it's not there, but it's there. Don't do too much. Now also add to the perimeter of my face, just little. I don't want to do too much anywhere. No too much doing. It's not allowed on this channel. No, we're always taking it easy. So I'm done contouring. So for the blush, I'll be picking a shade from this my lip palette. This I Magic lip palette. Now added that's the places I need to add it. So I like blush and I think I'll miss this color. I'll add this and then I'll say add a bit of red. Yeah. Let me take little red. I hope it won't be too much. By the time I'm done, and to mix it up. Okay, let's blend. With my beauty blender, I love to use this side of the beauty blender to blend my brush. So okay, that's it for my blush. I don't want too much because I'll still put powdered one, so I don't want to overdo everything at this point. So moving on to my concealer. This is the concealer I'll be using. Spotless from Rich People. That's concealer. Now I'll be using these two shades. So let me add that to where I need to add them. And I don't want too much concealer. So I'm just going to let that sit for a few seconds and I'll blend, or a minute, and then I'll blend. So I'm blending the concealer right now. The under eye will be the last one I'm going to blend. I'm trying to make this my forehead to blend in, like, because sometimes when I see it in a video, you just be white there, like maybe it's camera or light, because I know that I do blend it out so well. For more brightness under the eye, I am going in with that light shade I told you, just a little of it here, not much. Not much, that's okay. And I am going to let that sit for a while also. But while I'm waiting for it, after blending your concealer, just use that part you used to blend your brush and then go over it like this, so that you won't have that white something. No, all those just makes your makeup not to look natural. So to blend that lighter one I just added, I'll be using this small beauty blender. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah. Because I don't want it everywhere. That's why I am using this small beauty blender, so that it will be exactly at the places where I want it to be, okay? I want my under eye to be super bright. That's why I use that lighter shade. So to set it, I don't know. I feel more comfortable setting my under eye with this than this powder puff actually. But I don't know. And of course, you know how to do it now. To take off the excess. And then you start to set. So it's time for powdered contour. So I don't want something too dark. Just take a bit. I'll just go ahead and do my eyebrows and I'll be back. Of course, you guys, I have a whole lot of videos on how to do your brows. Yes, I think a playlist set. So I am going to put that video here for you. Make sure you watch it out, okay, so that you know exactly how to do your brows. Exactly how to do your brows, okay? Yeah. Okay, I think I'm done with my brows. I think I'm done with it since I'm not carving these brows, as in making it slim is a kind of very hard, because I have a lot of hairs here, so that's why my brows kind of big now. So, and I use a bright concealer, quite a lot of it, because I have hairs there and I have very dark hairs, so I needed to cover everything up. So I'm okay with it right here like this. Like I said, I have tutorial on how to do your brow, so go watch it out, go check it out, okay? So moving on to my eyes, I think I'll be doing a brown, no, a smoky green eyes, yes, because this is an evening event. I don't want to look, I want to look, when I enter, they will see how my under eye is super bright. Yes, so I want to blind everybody once I enter. The only mountain I'm gonna have here is my lid. So let's go. So my lovelies, the eyeshadow is done. Green smoky eye. So I recorded this as a different tutorial. I will make sure I put it up before this particular video, so that I can leave the link here for you guys to go watch it out. So I felt the need to record a green smoky eyeshadow, because I haven't done that before on this channel, so that is why. So the eyeshadow is done. This is green smoky eye. Yes, so if you want to know how I did it, please make sure you check out this. And of course, I had to put it separately so that this video won't be unnecessarily long. So that's just it. So for my powder blush, I'll be using pink and orange. I hope I won't add too much though, because me and blush, I wanted more of the orange, but it's like I'm doing more of the pink now. So for my lips, I'll be going for something very soft. Yes, nude lips, very soft. You guys know that I don't like overlining my lips. I don't like it. It doesn't look good on me. So I'll be going for something soft. Let's just start by taking off whatever I have here. So to line my lids, I'll be using this Davis pencil, number 3. So to line. Should I have aligned my lids today? I don't look funny. Let me not do that. My eyes are already heavy. So I'm done lining my lips. I want to do a very nude shade. So let me go with this one again. I've tried one before. That one didn't work. Let me see if this one give me what I want. I want to put just one shade everywhere. I think this, and then I'll put one that is still nude on top. I think it will give me what I want. Okay, let's do it. I think this lip is a kind of perfect for it, because in makeup you don't just have to be packing things and putting, you have to monitor the colors you're using. Okay, I will still go ahead and gloss it, but that will be later. So for now, it's time for our cheek glaze. So you guys know cheek glaze is another thing that I love, because it adds warmth to your face, like it brings the look alive. Can you guys see that spot, that glow? Here, just here. Just here. We're gonna blend that out though. You're not leaving it like that. You're not leaving it like that. We'll blend it out. So I would say add. I want to add here. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use my mascara to make it stand out. Here's my mirror bag. This one. Can you spot the difference between the two eyes? Here and here. So after that, it's time for setting spray. So I think that is that. So my lovelies, this is it. This is the finished look. I glossed the lips and that's it. I feel like I'm going with this fringe wig. Even though I didn't stretch the wig, I didn't do that. Because this is not what I wanted to wear, but I just have to go with it. Yes, I just have to go with it. So what you guys think? And you know that this look is not everyday look. It's not what you wear to church if you ask me, but you can decide to wear it. But it's better for parties, clubbing, birthday, stuff like that. Okay? And with the lip also. Say the eye, say the lip. So you don't do this kind of eye and then you carry maybe a red lips or two-toned lips or all those stuff. No, it's not going to go well. So if you do it like this, you're gonna be fine, good to go. So my lovelies, with that we come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comments, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Okay, till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.